Halo, balik lagi di channel ini. Gua Apip. Jadi kita bakal nonton One Piece Love Action Season 2 episode 6. Di episode sebelumnya, Straw Hatku bertarung melawan Mr. Tree, Mr. Five, dan Miss Valentine di Little Garden. Terus pas di akhir, mereka akhirnya meninggalkan pulau itu ya. Sebelum kita mulai, buat kalian mau support gua dan mau melihat versi uncut-nya, kalian bisa langsung ke Patreon aja. Linknya ada di bawah ya. Oke, jangan lupa cemilana. Sekarang kita nonton aja One Piece Love Action Season 2 episode 6.
Of course, Mr. Zero. Understood. I apologize for keeping you waiting. We are tying up some especially pesky loose ends. I believe you have a history with one of them, Princess Vivi of Alabasta.
Kok si Miss Alexandria ketemu sama Wapol di sini?
Cobra's blue-haired brat. Oh, I came to speak to the man in charge, not some secretary. Delicious as she might be.
Oh.
Unfortunately, Mr. Zero is otherwise occupied.
Lupa gue
I have
siapa
been
yang bawahannya.
very generous with my financial contributions
Marimo ya
to
satunya.
Baroque Works. I want what I'm owed.
Sire, your blood pressure.
Blackbeard has vacated Drum. Mr. Zero thinks it's time you reclaim your birthright. He feels a king would make a valuable ally.
Blackbird tuh ada di-mention di sini juga ya. Apaan itu?
A gift. A token of gratitude for your financial contributions.
Hah?
What do you
Baku-baku
get for a
Nomi.
king who has everything?
Devil fruit. What power does this one hold?
Well, it's the fun, isn't it? Bon appétit.
Oh, peacock string.
What? Ow.
You okay? You okay? Do you want some food? I made you some fresh consomme.
I'm not hungry.
Oh, gila, pucat banget.
You need to eat something.
I just passed out at dinner last night. I must have been more tired than I thought.
Nami, that was 4 days ago.
Buset.
It's probably just heat stroke.
Wah.
But it's okay. Because we're getting you help.
Udah berkaca-kaca gitu Sanji
Okay.
matanya.
Thank you for worrying about me.
Itu apaan?
Are you cold? Could be warmer.
Our fever's still sky high.
Oh, si
We need to find a dog.
Usopp masih ini ya matanya.
We could be days, maybe weeks from Alabasta.
Nami doesn't have that kind of time.
I do need to get home as soon as possible. Which is why we're going to stop at the first island we find and get Nami help. Then we make to Alabasta.
That's well said. Thank you, Vivi.
Exactly. That is the fastest way.
Isle of Venice. Smoker.
Better to be discreet when the job is intercepting and tracing calls.
Hope they have a shower. We could both use one.
Ya.
Tell them we've been up and down the Grand Line and found no sign of Baroque Works.
Can't capture an agent alive if we can't find one.
Time to go after the Straw Hats.
They could be anywhere by now.
This again. Do we need to get you a cane?
Captain,
Apaan? Mayat.
sword wounds.
Pirates.
Siapa cek?
Straw Hats.
Enggak.
Why would the Straw Hats go out of their way to attack a comms outpost?
Jangan-jangan ini. Baroque Works, Mr. One. Drum Island.
Luffy, we found an island!
So white.
Drum Kingdom.
Do you recognize this place?
Lucky for us, it's a nation renowned throughout the Grand Line for its medical expertise. When we arrive, it might be best if we keep my identity a secret.
Because you're an assassin or a princess.
Both.
From what I've been told, the people of Drum are welcoming and kind. The politics between Drum and Alabasta are tenuous.
Do you want to tell us who?
Their king.
Ex-king.
Now let's go find us a doctor.
Sebenarnya sama sekarang jadi pikiran gua ya. Mereka tuh hoki banget gitu loh. Bisa bawa Nami ke Drum Kingdom. Kenapa? Karena kan kita ngikutinnya Eternal Post ke Arabasta. Sedangkan kita nggak pakai log post. Dari lautan sebesar itu, Grand Line, lu ke arah Arabasta terus ketemu pulau gitu. Jadi menurut gue itu kayak bener-bener hoki banget. Kalau aja dia nggak hoki ketemu Drum Kingdom, itu kan berarti si Nami ya udah gitu. Apa kabarnya udah nggak ada Nami gitu One Piece.
We will now come to order. Before we begin, I would like to once again extend our thanks to the Marines for their protection during our travels and these proceedings.
Warlords exist as a deterrent for other pirates. An important check to the power balance of the seas.
And how did that work out for the fishmen? Their queen was assassinated a while back, and not even the fishman warlord could stop it.
Today we have a more pressing threat to address.
Jadi sebenarnya gue pikir si Wapol nih, si besinya tuh, jauhnya tuh, steel jauhnya gue pikir dari kekuatan buah iblisnya guys. Tapi ternyata bukan ya. Memang dari awal si Wapol ini memang udah pakai steel jauh, metal gitu, metal jauh, dan baru makan buah iblis di sini gitu kalau di live action. Kalau di anime atau manganya tuh dia udah makan dari buah iblis, nggak diceritain kapannya gitu loh.
He is known only as Dragon. Though his numbers are modest now, his revolutionary army grows more every day. We must not ignore the danger. The danger that he... Something else to add, King Wapol?
Me? Always. That's fine. The people of Drum Kingdom are happy. I provide them with food and water. And should any of my subjects become ungrateful for my generosity, then I can always take my gifts away.
May I have the floor?
What Cobra ya?
Revolutions are also an expression of human emotion. People whose voices are not heard cannot truly be happy. Drum once had a king who listened to his people.
Well, I couldn't stand my father, and now I am king.
A king is but a man, and a crown is just a hat. It is the kingdom that endures.
I am the kingdom! Politics is about power, not feelings. And I'd sooner hear wisdom from one of your sandpit's giant ducks than listen to another second of your prattling on about the
Oh iya garam. Ini di mana dah? Oh, dan musinya mati guys. Apa itu?
Here comes the heat. Way to keep your eye on the ball, slugger.
What the hell are you?
Stepping up to the
Siapa tuh?
mound. It's Miss Thirsty. guess not everyone's ready for the majors.
Enough baseball jokes. Hit the bench. Now she's got me. So
Jadi
much for
ikut.
taking one alive.
Jadi ikutan baseball jokes. Oh, Drum Kingdom.
Where are we?
We're getting you help.
Gila, pucat banget, coy.
What the hell was that?
The last warning shot that let her get off.
Stop right there, pirates!
We have a sick crewmate who needs help.
Leave this country alone, you lying pirates!
We need a doctor!
Ow.
You asshole!
Stop! All of you! If you get us killed here, what will happen to Nami? You are the captain. Think! If we cannot enter your village, please spare us a doctor out here. Our friend is gravely ill. Please help us.
I'm sorry. I was wrong.
Oh.
Please, help our friend.
Duh, lupa gue siapa namanya yang hijau.
That was very smart, Vivi.
Ketahuan.
Are you all right?
I'll be fine.
Ini tuh salah satu scene favorit gue ya di anime atau manganya. Di sini kalau di live action gue nggak terlalu kelihatan, tapi kalau di anime tuh si Vivi ngajarin untuk ke Luffy bahwa untuk menjadi kapten tuh tidak semudah itu gitu loh. Karena kan si Vivi ini pengalaman memimpinnya itu udah lama ya, karena dia kan seorang putri kerajaan, jadi dia tahu bagaimana cara memimpin rakyatnya gitu. Dan di sini dia mengajarkan ke Luffy bahwa tidak semuanya harus pakai kekerasan gitu loh. Lu tuh kaptennya, lu tuh seharusnya lebih bijak. Ini keren banget. Gue suka banget si scene yang ini.
All of you, come with me.
Is she gonna shoot us again?
Please forgive Maria. We've all been on edge.
Sorry, Dalton.
Oh ya, Dalton.
Sorry, pirates.
Lupa gue namanya guys.
My name is Dalton, captain of the civilian guard.
I don't understand. What happened here? Where's King Wapol?
A pirate named Blackbeard laid siege to our village.
Kabur Wapolnya.
It's a man fueled by bloodshed and carnage.
You're saying Walpole's forces had no chance against Blackbeard's crew?
I'm saying the king and his soldiers didn't even try. He abandoned us all.
And he has the nerve to call himself a king.
Vivi.
How could he do that to his people?
Gue lupa di sini nih, si Blackbeard tuh udah kabur dari Whitebird ya guys ya. Makanya dia udah punya kemampuan buaya iblisnya. Iya. Agak lupa gue. Gue agak lupa si Blackbeard tuh udah punya kemampuan buaya iblis apa belum gitu loh. Gue pengen nyebut buaya iblisnya apa, tapi terjadi malah spoiler ke kalian yang bukan penonton anime. Jadi gue nggak mau ngasih tahu. Gue ngasih tahu si Blackbeard punya buaya iblis aja sebenarnya agak spoiler, tapi ya it's fine ya menurut gue. Karena sudah di One Piece ini kebanyakan memang orang-orangnya musuh-musuhnya atau teman-temannya itu pakai buaya iblis.
Wapol took all the doctors with him.
Great, so we wasted our time for nothing.
Except one. Her name is Correa. She's taken over Drum Castle at the top of the mountain.
I've seen her flying through the sky under a full moon with the beast of the forest.
And there's a beast.
What's up?
I knew it. I'm not scared of a witch. How do we get up there?
Climb.
There was a gondola. But Wapol destroyed it, trying to protect his palace from Blackbeard. You can stay in the tavern until morning. I'm sorry, we don't have more to offer. I must get back to my watch.
Pucat banget kaminya. Siapa itu? X. Oh. Peter Ten.
Oh.
Kasia.
Haven't heard that. I prefer style.
Doesn't belong in the hands of an assassin.
Oh. Well, by all means, dear girl. Come and
Oh,
take
sebelas ya.
it.
Mr. Eleven. Oh, nggak boleh Dip.
You will never touch that sword again.
Nggak boleh ngebunuh tapi kan mau nangkap hidup-hidup ya. Oh, ingat gua. Dia tuh yang ditangkap sama Smoker dan Tashigi di kapal. Bener nggak ya? Kalau nggak salah di anime itu di adegan baru masuk Arabasta, terus Smokernya ngikat Mr. Eleven di kapal. Kalau nggak salah ya. Tapi kalau di live action dibuat nangkapnya di sini guys. Ya.
We're looking for something.
Like what?
Let's find out.
Si cincinnya Sanji bentuk apaan sih?
If we can't go around the mountain, then we go straight up.
Nami can't make that. None of us can make that.
I can.
Nami, the only doctor here lives on top of a mountain. We're gonna have to climb it to get to her. I'll carry you on my back.
I'm counting on you, Captain.
Leave everything to me.
Fine, I'm coming too.
Me too.
No, you gotta stay. Vivi can't make the climb with her arm, and Baroque Works is still out there looking for us, so someone's gotta stay.
I'll stay too. And get Zoro's back, just in case the witch feeds you to the beast.
Walaupun Sanji sama Zoro berantem mulu, tapi sama-sama saling ini ya percaya gitu loh.
My jacket should keep you extra warm.
Gila sih. Sebenarnya lebih gila sih Sanji coy, karena dia kan sebenarnya nggak pernah ngelatih tangannya.
I should have gone instead of the cook, shouldn't I?
Sanji will be fine.
Are you even listening? You should go up there right now.
Zoro, do something else. Like I'm doing something. Stop asking questions and hovering over me. And do something, because this is not helping.
Do the best nicely. Gonna join Dalton on watch.
Tapi kenapa kasar banget ya Usop ya? Maksudnya kan si Zoro juga karena dia concern sama Nami dan Luffy kan. Dia concern sama kaptennya juga gitu loh. Makanya si Zoro bilang, lu bisa ngomong lebih santai gitu lah ibaratnya.
Hey Grim, I couldn't just stay in my quarters. It's a reverie. I wanted to see it with my own eyes, or at least hear it. How am I supposed to learn how to lead a kingdom if I'm stuck on a ship?
Perhaps I could arrange for a tour of the grounds. See how the world government operations work. And I won't tell your father you snuck out.
As my royal guardian, that seems like that'll get you in more trouble than me. Throw some ice cream afterwards, and we have a deal.
Ngelunjak.
Your first treaty. I'm proud.
The audacity! Does that fool not know who he's dealing with? Out of my way, child! Your Highness!
You would dare strike the Princess of Alabasta.
How unfortunate you are to be the daughter of that worthless fool.
Sorry I bumped into you.
Oh, dipermalukan.
Let's go! Get out of my way!
I'm sorry.
Your Highness, you were magnificent today, Princess Vivi. You averted a great potential
Iya
conflict.
cuy, itu kalau si Vivi dan Cobra mempermasalahkan udah perang antar dua negara ya, dua kerajaan. Gila si Dalton, pemainnya sebanyak apa? Sampai keras begitu.
It's not just about Nami.
Bikin apa nusuk?
This kingdom used to be prosperous. They were on the cutting edge of medicine, and now they have nothing. How do I know that what's happened here hasn't happened to my home as well?
Vivi, you can't carry the weight of the world on your shoulders alone.
I just want to do something.
I get it. You could start by handing me that wrench over there. Look at that.
Sekali kepleset mati coy. At least mati si Naminya.
Let's get him to the top!
Gila, sampai bibirnya biru gitu. Dingin banget pasti ya.
What a pretty castle.
Safe.
Chopper.
Fritz.
Why is Baroque Works here?
Haven't you heard? Our motto is mystery.
Tell me what I want to know. Or I'll shove a baseball down your throat like I did your partner.
I completed my mission. My work here is done.
We didn't get any information out of him.
Calm down. He's just taking a nap.
He won't talk. Maybe this one will. If we can keep it alive long enough.
How's your friend?
Some of them took her up the mountain to find the witch.
Oh, Dalton nggak tahu.
They couldn't wait until morning.
Do you really think this Blackbeard is coming back?
Hopefully he's had his fill.
They're looking for your king, Wapol.
He is a cruel man, and I know that he will try to reclaim what once was his. And I hope we can build something new. Peaceful nation.
And who's gonna lead this nation? You?
My aim is not to lead these people. Only to be a shield for them.
You don't always get a choice. I'm more of a sword guy myself. I could lend you mine, should the need arise.
Gara-gara di Daltonnya bilang shield. Oh. Udah mulai gak pucat guys. Here comes the chopper.
Hello?
Salah.
Are you hiding?
Of course. That's why you can't see me.
You're peeking the wrong way.
Shut up. Feeling better?
A little
Hey,
bit.
guys.
Yeah.
Gemes banget anjir. Korea. Oh.
I'm Korea. You can call me Dr. Reem. And lucky for you, I am the last and greatest physician on Drum Island. 100.76.
Fahrenheit.
Fever's gone down a smidge, which means...
The antibodies are working.
Correct. Treatment's not over yet. Patient still needs...
Further rounds of antibiotics and more bed rest.
No, really, I'm feeling much better. Thank you so much for your help, but I need to get...
Only two ways a patient leaves my care, girlie. Fully recovered or dead. You're not going
Pilih yang
anywhere.
mana lu? Sembuh apa mati?
An infectious tick whose bite infects the victim with virulent bacteria. Myocarditis, arteritis, encephalitis.
Oke.
It's bad.
Nggak paham gua.
Kestia are supposed to be long extinct. So unless you were traipsing through some steamy prehistoric jungle with your skin exposed,
I was.
Little Garden.
you're a strange one.
And Luffy?
Guys! A huge beast dragged us into this castle! Then this old witch tried to cook me in a soup and eat me! We're about to be eaten!
We are not about to be eaten, and she's not a witch. I think.
Nami? Nami, you're okay!
Ow.
I gave her antibiotics, I reset his ribs. I put you in warm water to prevent hypothermia.
Okay. Thanks, Grandma.
I'll bill you later. I'm not old either. I'll have you know, I am not a day over 139.
Seriously?
Gila.
Wow. You're really old.
I'm a doctor, not a chef.
Lucky for you, I am.
Chopper, show him where the kitchen is.
Yes, Doctor.
Chopper. What the heck is that gitu?
What are you? What is that?
Akhirnya kita ketemu sama kru tergemas kita, Tony Chopper. Sebenarnya banyak yang sedikit berbeda dengan animenya. Ya buat kalian tahu aja ya. Jadi ketika pas naik ke gunung itu loh, pas mendaki apa namanya? Pas climbing itu, si Sanji itu dari awal udah tulang rusuknya udah patah gitu loh guys. Jadi sebelum naik ke gunung itu, mereka harus bertarung dulu lawan kelinci raksasa gitu, terus harus kena longsor salju. Dan di longsor salju itu Sanjinya baru rusuknya luka gitu, patah. Dan dibawa naik sama Luffy dari awal, bukan udah setengah jalan ya. Kalau di sini kan ceritanya udah setengah jalan, udah setengah mendaki, si Sanjinya kan jatuh ya karena rusuknya. Tapi kalau di animenya tuh dari awal si Luffy ngangkat dua orang gitu loh, ngangkat si Nami sama si Sanji. Jadi kalau di animenya tuh Luffy kerjanya lebih ekstra buat mendaki guys. Sejauh ini gue nggak ada komplain terkait Chopper. Gue ngerasa dia udah cocok banget. Animasinya bagus banget, blend in sama backgroundnya juga bagus, tidak apa namanya ya. Kadang-kadang kalau animasi itu sama backgroundnya berantakan gitu loh guys, tapi ini bagus banget, tidak terlihat kayak sebuah animasi gitu loh. Ya tetap terlihat animasi, tapi yang nggak yang nggak yang jelas banget kelihatan gitu loh. Di sini yang gue agak kaget tuh justru bagian smoker guys. Gue nggak inget sama sekali Smoker sama Tashigi ke pulau itu terus nangkap Mr. Eleven. Makanya gue kaget ini apa ingatan gue yang agak lupa atau memang ini adalah scene tambahan gitu. Tapi kelihatannya memang scene tambahan ya. Dan gue juga nggak tahu si Baroque Works itu ngapain di pulau itu. Makanya si Smoker nyari tahu kan. Sama gue kaget sih. Di sini ternyata yang ngasih baku-baku nomi buah iblisnya Wapol itu adalah si Miss All Sunday ya. Padahal kan kalau di anime itu udah dari awal aja udah makan buah iblis gitu loh. Nggak diceritain kapan makannya. Bahkan gue mikirnya dari awal ketemu Blackbird. Dari awal Blackbird ke pulau ini. Si Wapol ini harusnya udah punya buah iblis gitu loh. Tapi ternyata di sini ceritanya nggak. Pantesan aja mereka harus lari dari Blackbird ya. Tapi memang paling gue enjoy dari live action ini melihat set dunia One Piece-nya gitu loh guys. Drum Island-nya, Drum Kingdom, terus yang tempat Castle Kureha, terus tadi desanya Dalton, itu tuh setnya tuh bikin gue fascinating gitu loh, keren banget. Kayak gue bisa ngerasain dunia One Piece beneran gitu loh. Tapi jujur gue nggak bisa ngerasain vibes action-nya dari live action. Karena ya gue akuin, gue sadarin bahwa susah gitu loh untuk membuat action seperti di anime gitu. Akan sangat sulit. Seperti yang gue bilang tadi, di anime sendiri ada longsor salju, terus berantem sama kelinci raksasa, itu tuh ya pastinya akan memakan waktu kalau harus dibuat secara menyeluruh. Makanya dibuat seperti ini. Di sini konfliknya udah jelas ya, berarti si Wapol bakal datang balik lagi ke Drum Island. Oh iya, jadi kalau di animenya tuh si Wapol nih kehilangan arah gitu loh ke Drum Kingdom. Dia cuman berlayar tapi nggak tahu jalan pulang gitu loh. Karena dia kabur dari Blackbird, berlayar, cuman nggak ada tujuan gitu loh guys. Jadi bener-bener di sekitaran laut aja, tapi dia mau balik lagi ke Drum Kingdom nggak bisa. Sebenarnya kan kalau logikanya nggak mungkin dong. Kenapa lu nggak bisa balik lagi ke Drum Kingdom? Tapi ini di sini adalah Grand Line guys. The Grand Line dimana kompas tuh nggak berjalan normal gitu. Jadi dia ketika udah berjalan ke suatu tempat, balik lagi tuh nggak bakal nyampe ke tempat itu lagi. Karena nggak ada namanya ya utara, barat, terus timur gitu-gitu nggak ngaruh gitu loh. Karena magnetic field-nya kan berantakan. Tapi kalau di sini kelihatannya hanya kabur menunggu Blackbird pergi dari pulau itu. Tapi di sini ketemu sama Miss All Sunday terus bakal balik lagi. Gitu ya ceritanya ya. Di situ yang agak berbeda sama animenya. Oke, terima kasih sudah menonton. Buat kalian yang belum subscribe, kalian bisa subscribe dulu. Sekali lagi kalau kalian mau support gue lebih, kalian bisa langsung ke Patreon gue. Di situ juga ada video versi uncut-nya. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Dadah.